Thank you. I will again repeat this process, this complete process. Okay. Okay. I was saying that this is a protein structure and this is a ligand, and we perform docking of this ligand on this protein. Okay. And we are going to make the complex of this protein ligand, and we will move on the C drive because we installed the software in C drive, and click on the users. Click on this is the laptop name Vakar. Click on this, and this is the MGL tools. In this folder, there is PDBQT files of the ligand as well as there is the PDBQT file of the protein. So this is a Pyrex. Click on Pyrex, and this is our ligand PDBQT file, and we don't need of this. And this is a macromolecule. In macromolecule, there are different proteins whose docking we performed in the Pyrex. So we performed only 6LU7 docking, and click on the 6LU7. This is the contact.txt file. In this file, you have your center and your dimensions. This is the grid box values. Okay. And this is a PDBQT file of the 6LU7, and this is a ligand model. We will open this model out.pdbqt. For making a complex, we always use this out.pdbqt file, and click in Notepad. Open with Notepad. Okay. So this will show 10 models. These are the 10 models that are best, and that show these models are formed showing the best binding energy. So we mostly choose the first model because first model always has best value of the binding energy. So this is the model, and we will choose, and we will copy this from here. And above the end model, we will copy this, and this protein file will be opened in Notepad as well. This is a protein, and go towards the end. And here we will paste the model we have copied. This has been, the complex has been made now. This is a complex now. We can put its name according to our desire. And now we are going towards its interaction analysis. Pyrex is best software. MOE also can be used to see the interactions, but due to not having MOE and Chimera, we will use this Maestro for the interaction analysis. Yes, I will repeat this process. Double click on this, and this is showing that So this is the zero error. It's mean this software is not showing any error. It's mean our docking is perfect. So zero, Dr. Daniel, we have docked this complex without minimization. As I already told you about that, in some cases minimization is compulsory, and in many other cases minimization is not. If there will be errors and many warnings, then we will again dock this protein ligand, and we're doing before docking we did perform the minimization process. Okay, this is the ligand as well, and this is the complex. So for the interaction analysis, we are going to click on the ligand interaction. So this is the interaction. There are 5 interactions: alanine, valine, proline, threonine, and alanine. These are the amino acids, and this A is showing that chain A, this is chain A, this is chain A, and this is chain C and C. Okay, these are alphabets showing the chains of the protein, and this is showing there is no hydrogen bonding. There is no you can say from here we can move towards the LID legend. This is showing that. So we have only hydrophobic interactions, and after that we perform MD simulation that's showing us that how many hydrogen bondings, how many hydrogen bonds are there, how many specific hydrophobic interactions are there, how many van der Waal forces, van der Waal interactions there, and in MD simulation we will also learn about the RMSD analysis, root mean square fluctuations, radius of gyration. There will be many different analyses that we can perform. So this is the interaction analysis that we did from the blind docking results, blind docking complex, and now we will move on the targeting docking. If anyone has any question, any query, you can ask, please. And tomorrow we will, inshallah, will use the Chimera software, and we will learn how to make better figures for the publication purpose.
Excuse me, sir.
Okay, Dr. Teddy. Yes, please.
Yes, I did not get you how you brought out the labels of this interaction analysis.
Dr. Simple, you can this is a Desmond software that you have already installed, and click on
Yes,
the
sir.
ligand interaction, right?
Okay, sir.
And this will show the interaction that already showing here. This just click on ligand interaction. This is the 2D figure, and 3D figure can be made using the Chimera software.
Yes, I understand now. Is the labeling, the charge, charge negative, charge, how the labeling of this interaction came up. There's something you did at view.
Wait a doctor.
Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
Yes, yes, doctor.
Hello.
Yes, yes, Doctor Daniel. Yes.
Yes. Yes, there is something you did at view that brought out the labeling of the 2D structure.
Yes, this is the as I already told you about the we only found hydrophobic interactions in docking purpose, and we will say that when we are going to write the results of the docking, we will write about the binding energy as well as RMSD score as well as the binding interactions, and we will say that we have only find the hydrophobic interactions, and it will be more you can elaborate it in the MD simulation results, and these results can be acceptable in the publication.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you. Welcome. Anyone has any other question? So we can move towards the targeting docking. I think there should be 5-minute break, and after that we will do the targeting docking. So in this phase, I will install the camera also, so you can understand the interaction analysis using the camera too. Okay. There should be break or not? Can you tell me please?
No, sir, please proceed.
You can dock the more than one compounds in this software also. No worry that you can't be limited on one compound. You can dock many compounds, 100, 200, 300 in this software with same protein. Click on Wizard and add ligand, desktop, and import ligand. This is the ligand, add macromolecule, 6LU7. And we in this when we are going to do targeting docking, we know the active site of the protein, and we will click on the molecule. Please note this point. We will click on the molecules. There are two molecules, like ligand molecule and protein receptor molecule. We click on this plus sign, and now we will click on chain A, chain C. So I know the residues of this protein, active site residues of this protein is present in this chain, in this A chain, because I have already worked on this protein. So I know this plus. So its active site residue first is 41 histidine, and we will click, we will control and click on the mouse. It will be selected histidine, and the other active site residue is 145 cysteine. This is the, so these are the two active site residues, and we have selected these. So click on these toggle selection spheres, and it will show the active site residues. Due to previous docking, the protein and ligand structure is not showing. So we will close this again and open this again. Same process I will repeat again. ऐसा हो जाता है कभी कभी, क्योंकि हमारे जो सिस्टम कंप्यूटर्स हैं वो इतने हैवी नहीं होते, जिसकी वजह से हैंग होके वो बंद हो जाते हैं। सेम प्रोसेस हम करेंगे। add macromolecule, and we will move on molecule 6LU7 chain A, and 41 अमीनो एसिड को सिलेक्ट करेंगे जो कि हमारी एक्टिव साइट रेजिड्यू है। उसके बाद 145 को कंट्रोल माउस पे क्लिक करके आपने सिलेक्ट करना है, ठीक है, एंड सिस्टीन 145, और ये टॉगल सिलेक्शन करेंगे। अब ये देखें, फुल स्क्रीन करें तो ये देखिए हमारे पास एक्टिव साइट रेजिड्यूज आ चुके हैं, ठीक है। Again, click on the Autodoc, and by the same procedure that we done, click on protein first, then ligand, and forward. So there is structure is not showing due to the software mishandling. If such errors happening again and again, you can do this task by deleting the molecules. You can delete it. Okay. So delete, and ligand will also be deleted. Now Pyrex will not create any problem. Okay, same procedure will be repeated. And we have only 2 minutes, and in 2 minutes we will complete this docking and ligand. Desktop. Okay, add macromolecule, PDB, and go on molecule, chain A, and 41 will be selected. Control and click on mouse together, and 145 will be selected as active site residue, and click on toggle selection. As I showed you that this is the active site residues that in pink color, and now click on Autodoc, click on protein again, and ligand, click on forward. The grid box will be shown, and now you set the grid box only around these active site residues. So simply you can pick from here and move this on the active site residues. Okay, and simply drag it from every direction. We can see that. Okay, so this is covered now. Active site residues have been covered now, and we will click on the forward. So docking will be completed. This was the targeting docking, and after this session, when we will continue this meeting, we will see the results in interaction analysis using the Chimera and the Maestro software. So this is showing that minus 4.9 binding energy, that is not good and not